Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to move an object. Okay, first you can go to parametric body and as example I will draw a rectangle and use pad tools to convert into 3D. And the seconds we create again new body and create the rectangle again at this point and use the pad tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to move the body, like these objects, you can right click on the body, click transforms, and then we can move the body. Another options, you also right click in this body, click active body, and then you can transform the selected body to another area. You also can use the manipulator add-ons. Okay, you can choose this manipulator. If you don't have, you can download from the tools add-on manager, and then you can search for the manipulator and install into your FreeCAD. So to use the manipulator, you can change and then click this icon to show the command. Like I will use these options and I will move from point to point. Okay, I will click at this point, press Ctrl button to select the multiple, and then you can click the alliance objects to move. Okay, I will click again from this point to here, and then you can click the icons to move by point. So that's it for the basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to move an object.